Hello all, welcome to Instructor's Maths class. I'm Instructor Minu and today I will be teaching you the lesson The Epic Trek. The main learning objective is that we are going to understand the difference between what is heavy and what is light, and children will be able to tell what is the difference between heavy things and light things, and even they'll be able to sort out things. So today, moving on to our lesson, okay, we are going to find out what are heavy things and what are light things. Okay, so let's start the class. Before moving to the class, let me ask you, can you find anything around you which is very heavy? Okay, I have a phone which is not that heavy, but I can't say this is light, but it is having some weight. But when I take one more thing, a small toy car, and compare them, I can see that this is a bit heavier and this is a bit lighter. So I say this is heavy and this is light. Welcome to the class, dear. Okay, let's see now in this which one is heavy. Do you think a chair is easy to carry or a bowl is easy to carry? Which one is easy to carry? Exactly. Which one is it easy to carry? Yes, the bowl is easy to carry. And well done. Well done. Now, the next one. Oh my God, this is a bucket full of water and a glass full of water. So, which one do you think is easy to carry? Is it easy to carry a bucket full of water? No, 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 it's not easy to carry a bucket full of water. But I can easily carry a cup of water, right or not? Yes. So our answer is yes, the cup of water. Well done. Well done, dear children. Come on, now let's learn what is this heavy thing and what is this light thing. Oh my God, can you see the boy struggling to carry a heavy thing? And the girl is so happy running with something, which is very light in her hand. Okay, so before going into this, I am going to tell you a story. It was a bright sunny morning. Jack was packing his bag as he was going on a trek with his friends. Dear, all of you, do you go for a trek? That means, do you go out for a picnic or, do you go out with your friends? Yes, I know all of you love, hanging out with your friends, right? So, like this Jack also was going for a trek with his friends, okay? And then Jack takes only the essential, or your bag will become very heavy. Mama was telling Jack, please take only the things which is needed for you. Otherwise, what will happen to the bag? The bag will become very, very heavy. It is always easy to carry a light bag during trekking, said Mom. Yes, Mom, Jack replied. Jack was excited as his dream of a trek was about to turn into reality. Okay, so Jack was so happy. You can see the happy Jack here, right? Yes. Now, have you ever been for a trek? Or have not been for a truck? Have you been to a truck? Oh, very good. You have all gone for trekking, right? See, I'm very sad that I have not been, there for a trekking. Okay, can you tell me what are the essential things, according to you, should you carry while you go for a trek? Well done. You should carry a water bottle because you might feel thirsty, right? Yes. Then napkins. Yes, and necessary food. That can be the finger food as well, right? Because it's easy to eat, the finger foods, right? Well done, well done. Now, can you tell me which one is easy to carry in this? A bag full of things stuffed or a small paper bag? Yes, you are right. The paper bag is always easy to carry. Well done. Now, Now let's see how is Jack going to experience and what is Jack going to, see while he's going with trekking with his friends. Jack joined his friends at the base camp. Okay, boys, let's start our journey. Directed George, the team leader. Okay, so the team leader for the trekking is George. They all set off to their trekking adventure. En route, Jack observed his best friend. Jimmy limping. My God, when you're limping, it'll be very difficult to walk, right? So Jack, was so happy and he asked, he was not very happy actually. He asked, "What happened to your leg, Jimmy?" asked Jack. "Oh, I have a swollen leg. Last night I fell and twisted my ankle," said Jimmy. "Sorry to hear about your pain. I can help you carry your things, especially your heavy bag," continued Jack. "That will be too heavy for you, my dear friend. See how the Jimmy said, that is going to be really heavy for you, my friend," he said. And you know what Jimmy said? "Oh, Jimmy, you can help me too by carrying my water bottle. It is light," said Jack with a smile. "Okay, thank you, Jack. You are so nice," said Jimmy. See, so do you help your friends, when they are in need, when they are in pain? Suppose you all go to the school and, you see your friend falling down. Will you run to help her or him? Yes, I know you are all too sweet that no, you are going to help them out. Very good. You should always help a friend who is in need. Why do you think carrying a water bottle is easier than carrying a bag? Can you tell me? Let's think, why is it easy? Carrying a water bottle is easier. Why? Because it has only little water, right? Whereas carrying a bag is heavy because it will have your stuffs in it, right? It might have your dress, it might have some books, it might have some other stationery. So it will be very, very heavy for you to carry a bag. But water bottle just contains water, so it will be easy for you to carry, right or not? Yes. So which one do you think is easy to carry? Yes, the water bottle. Why? The water bottle contains only the water which you need to drink, right? Not extra, not less. But a bag contains your pencil box, your books, some other stationaries, there might be even snacks, there might be, some other things which might, mama might have kept in your bag. So the bag might be a bit heavy to carry than a water bottle, right? Yes. Now, let's continue. Now, they are continuing their trekking, okay? So, as they were traveling through a dainty village, they saw a woman struggling to lift a heavy basket full of fruits on a cart. She was a frail old lady. Upon seeing her struggling, Jack came forward and asked the old lady, "Can I help you?" A warm smile with a gratitude on her face as she said, "You are a kind boy. God bless you." Jack and his friend effortlessly raised the basket and placed it onto the cart. So see, can you see a old lady? Okay, old lady was standing there and she was not able to lift everything. So Jack and his friends ran to help her. They started keeping one by one basket over the other onto the cart, and the lady was so happy and she said, "Thank you, dear Jack, for helping me." Now, so do you help anyone whom you see? Very good. Whenever you help them, others will feel very happy because they might be the people who will be in need, right? Yes. Now, oh my God. Now I have two baskets, one basket and one big box, right? This box contains few fruits, right or not? Yes. There. And in the basket, how many maximum number of fruits can it hold? Maximum 5 to 6? Yes. Whereas this tray can hold, so many, some 10 to 50. Yes. So holding a tray will be, very, very heavy. Whereas holding a basket will be easy because you can just carry it and, walk easily. So which one will be difficult to carry? Right. This one will be very difficult to carry. Very good. Now, next, they went into a forest and found a man trapped under a heavy log. "Look, boys, he needs help," Dad said. "Boys, please help him," George said. All the boys rushed to help him. With great effort, they all succeeded in lifting the log and took him out. George, being very strong and a sturdy man, lifted him easily, as he was small and light in weight. After providing him with first aid and some food and water, they all resumed their journey. That means all the boys, worked together to, remove the log out of there. So, what quality do you find in the boys over there? Yes, their helping mentality, their unity, they all work together, right? So you can see their, unity, their, helping mind, or, all those things you can find in the boys over here. Now, which one is difficult to lift? Can you tell me? Yes, this one, the log is difficult to lift, right? This one seems to be very light. So this seems to be very difficult to lift. Very good. Now, it was dark. The sun was about to set, and finally they reached their destination at the top of a peak. They all sat up a set tent. Okay, so the tent was set up. You can see that, right? After a long day's trek, they were all tired and they were all sitting around the campfire. I'm very proud of you boys, said George. He was very happy and he was, being very proud of his boys. You did a great job by helping the people in need. We must do that, with unity. When you do something with unity, what happens? Work becomes easy. Then no task will seem to be heavy, as unity is the strength. Yay! Shouted the boys. So when you hear an appreciation from your teacher or your team leader or your friend, what will be you will be super excited or super happy, right? So similarly, the George, the team leader, also said, "See, you all worked unitedly together so that we got a result. So any work can be done or will become easy when you all do it together." Can you tell me, have you ever stayed in a tent? Oh, I have stayed in a tent. It was so nice. My God, that wonderful experience of, being close with the nature. Because when you're staying in the tent, you don't have the facility of, laying down in a comfy bed or, comfy coat, couch or something. You are just being very close with the nature, right? So the experience is wonderful, right? Now, the jug you see on the right is bigger and holds more quantity of milk. Hence, you see that the jug on the right is heavier, whereas the glass on the left is smaller and can hold only less milk. Hence, it is lighter, right? This jar on the right can hold more milk, whereas the glass on the left holds little milk. So we say that this glass is lighter and the jar is heavier, right or not? Yes. Now it's your turn. Which object is heavier? Yes, the hammer is heavier. I know all of you will tell me the answer very quickly because you all know. Because the pillow is something, we can just hug on to because it is light. You cannot go and hug on a hammer, right? Yes, wonderful. Now, which is the lightest animal? Yes, it's the rabbit because you can pamper it and it is so light. Can you go and take an elephant? No, no, no. It's so heavy that you cannot take an elephant, right? Yes. Oh, now you have a big truck and a bike. So which one will be heavier? Of course, the truck which carries the vehicles will be heavier. Very good and well done. Now, can you tell me, is the bird heavier than horse? No, 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 right? Because the body is very small. The hose is very heavy. So, no, no, no is the answer, right? Yes. Now, is the balloon lighter than the chair? Yes, because you all can hold the balloon and fly it up, right? You can play with the balloon, but can you play with your chair easily? No, 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 it is not that easy to play with a chair, right? Oh, so what did I do? Is the balloon lighter? Than the chair? No, no, no. Who is? Yes, well done. Now, Kendall, let's pick up the heavy objects. Which are the heavy objects? Okay, this is my cupboard. It is going to be very, very heavy. So I put it in the heavy box. Oh, this is a paper clip. It is so light and cute with pink color. So this is a light one. What is this? It seems to be very, very heavy. Yes. And a pencil? I know you all have pencils and it is very light, right? Yes. And our orange, are they light? Yes, our orange is also right. Everybody can hold one orange. Pumpkin, oh, pumpkin is not that very light. It is a bit heavy as well, right? Yes. Now, sort and ordering. Let's do the sorting. Okay, arrange the items from lightest to the heaviest. Drag and drop them in the given place. Oh, so it is the lightest. Is the apple, watermelon, or the strawberry? Yes, it is your favorite strawberry, which is the lightest. Then comes our red apple. And the next one, the pumpkin. Or, yes, the watermelon. Who is the heaviest? Wonderful. Well done. Awesome. Now, here, let's sort it again. Arrange the items from the lightest to the heaviest. Drag and drop them in the given space. So, who will go for cycle riding? Yes, so cycle is going to be the lightest. Wonderful. Then it's the car because here in cycle can hold only one person, whereas the car can hold more than four persons. And this is a truck. The truck can hold many, many heavier objects. Well done. Well done. Now, let's check. Okay, let's see. Look at the seesaw and find out who is the heavier. Is a sheep heavier or a hen heavier? My God, the sheep is heavier, and the sheep will be going down, 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 and the hen will be going up, 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 right? So the hen is the lightest, right or not? Yes, wonderful. Now, is it a piggy or a cow? If it is a piggy, the piggy will go up, 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 and the cow will go down, down, down. Why? Because the cow is very heavy. It is very heavy, so the cow will go down. So we need to identify who is heavier. Is the pig heavier? No, no, no. Pig is going down because the heavier one. No, no, no. The pig is lighter, so the pig goes up and the heavier one comes down. Yes. So the cow is the heavier one. Wonderful. Emma wants to shift this heavy box. Which of the following ways is easier to carry the box? Choose the correct option and share your opinion with your teacher along with the reason. My God, do you think carrying a box is easier? My God, Emma has to lift the box very high, right? It is going to be a tedious task and she'll start crying. Oh, Mama, this is so heavy, I cannot carry. But if you have a trolley, it becomes easy, right? When mama carries a trolley bag in the airport, what happens? Mama carries it very easily, right? Because it has wheels and it makes something to move easily. Yes, wonderful. Now, can you tell me the list of objects around which you can see, which are light and heavy? So, can you tell me? Yes, car. So, car, is it heavy or light? Can you lift a car? I cannot lift a car. Can you lift a car? No, no, no. So car is a heavy thing. Very good. A toy? Yes, you can play with your toy. So that is a light thing. Yes, very good. Now, color the bear that is heavier in brown and the one that is lighter in gray. So which is the heavier one? Let's check which is a lighter one. Yes, the brown one is the heavier one. So I put the brown here, abracadabra, boom! Oh my God, this is a brown heavy pen. And this is a light and a gray bed. Okay? Well done, my dears. Well done. I'm happy to see you. Bye bye. See you in the next class.